Colley from West Marine. Today I'm talking with Dave Johnson, who's the VP of Marketing for Blue Sea Systems, one of West Marine's best electrical suppliers. And he's telling me about the panel, the 360 panel system. Dave, exactly where did this idea come from, and what problem are we trying to solve with the 360 panel?
Great question, Chuck. There have been panels and distribution panels on boats for years, as long as there have been boats, basically. And for forever, they've been basically made with a piece of aluminum that's drilled out, and you put circuit breakers in it, and it's always going to be the way it was originally designed, and very difficult to make a custom panel. And your company and our company have done very well selling small sub-panels for a long time, and when somebody wanted a custom panel, we had to say we can't do it. And so that was the impetus for coming up with the 360 panel. The 360 panel basically is an open frame architecture. If you look at the back, there's an aluminum frame, marine grade aluminum frame that's powder coated, and you can put modules, mount modules in it in any configuration you want. So what that means on this side then is if somebody wanted to have regular high amp thermal circuit breakers in here, you can do it. You can move things around. You can actually have any kind of custom panel you want. And we've taken this to the next step by actually even doing an online panel configurator called the Panel Wizard, and someone can design their own panel, get a list price and a configuration number. 5 days later, we can ship a custom panel to them.
That's incredible. You can actually have somebody design a panel with all these different intricacies, yes, and you can ship it in 5 days?
5 days. In fact, all the way down to the level of what amperage circuit breaker and what you want the circuit identification label to say, and it can be in any language if you want.
Now I noticed that this integrates a DSM-422 monitor, and that's another product from Blue Sea System that allows you to look at AC, DC, bilge pump, and tank level circuits. And so that just integrates right into the product.
That's exactly right. And again, it was partly due to the 360 panel. Instead of taking discrete meters, where you'd have 4 discrete meters to do the things, the AC, the DC monitoring, tanks, and bilge monitoring, now you can do it in one called the VSM-422. And it's customizable. Again, you can name your tanks. You can choose the type of meter or the tank monitoring system, the tank sender. It'll use existing tank senders as well.
Wow, this looks like an unbelievable product for a cruising sailor or someone who wants to have a bulletproof electrical system customized for their boat. And of course the 360 panel system, the DSM-422, and all the other fine Blue Sea Systems products are available from West Marine.